is on 92 Falbrook Street. You have off-street parking down on the side here. It's a second floor apartment. So you have this for like storage here. You can put like coat racks here. And your steps right up into the kitchen. Nice sized kitchen. Fridge, gas stove. This could be a little dining room and living room. So this would be the living room. This could be a little dining room over here or something. Coat closet. Here's one bedroom. You can fit a king size bed here, no problem. Closet with double pulls. There's the second bedroom. You can fit another king in here as well. Bathroom. And there's a little sunroom here. Guess a good place for your plants or something. That's it. If you're interested in this property, just go to the website and apply at parasoleproperties.com. Parasole, properties, plural, IES.com. Submit an application on the homepage and we'll be in touch by next business day with further instructions on how to see this property.